Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cash App to your brokerage using bank transfers step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on the Balance tab. Look for the Cash Out option and select it. Decide how much money you want to transfer to your brokerage account. Enter the amount and tap Cash Out. Choose between Standard or Instant. Select Standard for a free transfer, which may take 1 to 3 business days. If you prefer immediate access, choose Instant, but note the added fee. After selecting your transfer speed, tap Confirm. Now, open your brokerage app or website. Log into your brokerage account. Navigate to the Deposit section of the app. You may see an option for linking a bank account. Select that option and look for Cash App or bank transfer. Follow your brokerage's prompts to retrieve your Cash App account details. Return to your Cash App. Tap on Profile at the top right corner. Select Linked Accounts. Copy your Cash App account and routing numbers. Return to your brokerage account. Paste or enter the Cash App account and routing numbers. Confirm all information is accurate before proceeding. Submit the linking request in your brokerage account. Check your brokerage for any verification emails or notifications. Once verified, you can fund your brokerage account with Cash App. Keep track of any transfers you initiate. Be patient, as transfers may take a few days to complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.